Alright, so I want to show you guys how you can make a face mask. Now, you can use it for Halloween, you can use it for viruses, all that stuff. If you could buy one, I suggest buying one, but if you can't, this is how you can make one. So you just need a paper towel, Bounty right here, 2 elastics, and a stapler. And now what we're going to do, we're just going to bend it like that. Okay. And then we're going to take one of our elastics, and we're going to put it over there like that. And then we're going to bend it like this. Okay. And then we're going to take this little tiny stapler. Now if you want to make it thicker better, you can put more layers obviously, but this stapler is super small, so we're just going to do it with one. And now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Go like this. Put the elastic over. And we're going to bend this bad boy. Okay. And then we're going to take the stapler. And we're going to go like this. Super easy, nothing crazy, and that's how you make a face mask. If you can buy one, obviously buy one. I'm going to show you guys how it will work. And you put it over like that. Boom. You got yourself a little simple face mask. Hope that helps.